Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. A couple weeks ago, I purchased the Philthy Blendz Mod. Now, it's been very popular around the internet. You know, I've seen it on YouTube, I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it everywhere. This is my story, my experience with this is my opinion. I'm gonna just give y'all the honest truth of what I think and what happened with my situation. A couple weeks ago, no, I think it's been about a month now. I bought the Philthy Blendz Mod. I bought the screws, I bought the Andes blade from them and all that. This is a clip of what happened when I first got it.
What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. I just bought the Philthy Blendz Mod. You feel me? Just got it in the mail. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it's like. I got some wall seniors that I purchased from one of the guys at the shop. And I'm gonna see how this turned out, man. You know, I've been waiting for this fast feed for so long. I've been waiting for the wireless fast feed, and I just decided to take a leap of faith and see what this gonna be like. So I've been hearing a lot about it. I'm gonna show y'all. I got the screws and this blade. Big mod. I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't even know how to take this apart. Wall clipper? That shit's for like rich people or something, huh?
You know how to take it apart. You don't do this all right now?
Yeah. You think I'm not, Jose? What do you think I am? So you think I'm not? What do you think I am?
Do you need help or you got it?
Yeah, I probably need help. How the f do you take the thing off? Oh, never mind. There's a big screw, huh?
I got a wall designer.
That's
you
what
heard anything about this clipper?
I heard something a while ago.
Good or bad or what?
The cordless one?
Yeah.
It's alright, I guess. This mod is kind of like tight on here.
Get it?
Yeah, I was using the other freaking screws like a jackass. Damn, this shit's like perfect.
Then you're still gonna get the cordless fast feed when it comes out?
Yeah. What the hell? It's like moving a little bit. You got a bigger screwdriver? Let me see it, cuz.
Like this one?
Sure.
You want me to try?
Sure, girl. Try your bestest, girl. Try to scoot it over that way. I don't know. No, this way. It's this way.
It doesn't even scoop.
I really don't.
Yeah, look.
Try to tighten this.
This?
Yeah.
That just helps the lever. That's really tight. See?
What the hell?
Why is that moving?
Damn. Am I supposed to use this blade? Cause it don't look like it fit on there.
Alright, so as you can see, we had problems putting it on. You know, it was tough to get on there. I'm gonna tell you right now, you gotta use the right screwdriver. The screwdriver is important. As you can see, it ended up not working as well for me the first time. The top blade kept moving and it started to fall off. Like halfway, not even halfway through a haircut.
I just cut your hair last week. Yeah.
I told you I was gonna be back every week. I knew I was trying to set up this interview or whatever, and it ended up being a phone call, not an in-person. So and I was like,
I had someone else fix it in the shop. They put that same bracket on a pair of magic clips. He had a ceramic blade on his magic clips and it worked very well, very well. It didn't move. Now he put it back on mine, and what I realized was you have to use a lot of force, a lot of power when you put that top blade on and screw it on. For about a week I just stopped using it because it was cool, but it just wasn't my style. About a week later, so about the second week I had it, I started using it again. It grew on me after a while, so I ended up being a lot more comfortable with it. I'm not gonna say I liked it, I want to say I got a lot more comfortable with it. I still wouldn't, I can't do, not that I can't do, I wouldn't do a bald fade with a wall clipper. That's just me, that's just not my style. I'm noticing the wall clipper takes off a lot more hair and it's harder to keep it dark. It's harder to keep the fade low with the wall clipper. Now with the fast feed and stuff like that, they extend a little more and it's a little bit easier for me personally to keep that fade lower. I'm gonna say all in all, I like the clipper, I like the mod, it works well for me. Am I gonna keep it in the rotation? Probably, but I'm not a fan of wall clippers. I love the wall trimmers, I'm just not a fan of wall clippers. I'm just not, like, I don't know what you want me to say. You know, keep in mind, this is my personal opinion. I don't want to hear y'all in the comments talking all that trash about, oh yeah, this, that, and other. I don't care, bro. This is my opinion. I'm not a fan of wall clippers. The mod makes me like them a little bit more. The mod is dope. I like the mod. The clipper just isn't the one for me. So I'm gonna just keep continuing to wait. I think I'm gonna try the cordless and its masters. We'll see. I'm trying to wait for this cordless fast feed, if it's even coming out, but we'll see. I'll see y'all next time, man. If you found any value in this video, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. If you want to see anything else, let me know. How do y'all feel about the Philthy Blendz mod? What clippers are you using the mod on? Because I know he has a lot of different mods for a lot of different clippers, and there's a couple other companies that make mods as well now. If you guys got anything you've been using that I haven't heard of, let me know, man. Leave it in the comments. I love to talk to y'all in the comments, man. Peace. One quick thing I forgot to tell y'all, these are some of the loudest clippers I've ever had. One of the guys at the shop told me if I get a ceramic blade, it'll be a lot quieter. Keep that in mind if you plan on getting these clippers. Make sure you got a ceramic blade. Make sure it's the blade with the teeth that are all the same size, not the ones where every other one is the same size, because from what I've read and from what Philthy Blendz himself says, it's gonna pull hair. So make sure you got the right blade on there as well.